Wagwan viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel once again, people. Much love and appreciation as usual. So news coming out of Jamaica is that Red Stripe, yes, the manufacturer that produces the Red Stripe beer, one of their warehouses was robbed last night. Yes, you heard that correctly, people. It goes on to say thieves have reportedly made off with millions of dollars worth of liquor during a robbery at Red Stripe on Spanish Town Road, St. Andrew yesterday morning. Details are still sketchy, but police have confirmed the robbery and said the incident occurred when a gunman entered the premises and tied up a security guard on duty. Beer things are going over there, so you know, people. Beer things are going over there, so. The amount of liquor stolen and the exact value could not be ascertained, but police sources said it ran into millions. Information reaching Observer Online is that about 2 a.m., the gunman reportedly managed to get on to the premises, held up the security, and tied him up with a piece of telephone cord. The man then reportedly opened the main entrance of the facility and a flatbed truck and another vehicle entered. The thieves managed to gain entry to the warehouse and used a forklift to load the two vehicles with multiple liquors before leaving the premises. People, I don't know, I'm not a mathematician, I'm not a genius, but I can smell this from a miles and miles away, people. I don't know, it just seems very sketchy. You see me? Big Red Stripe company, them have a security guard. Just one security guard for patrol and swagwan in that big old place. And they managed to do all of that flatbed and all that, open up main warehouse door and drive. Like, come on, people. Too much are going there, so Red Stripe is a multi-million-dollar company, people. I mean, I believe that them just careless like this, just have them things just put on like that. Security, one security guard. No, sir. People, once I get more information on this, I will let you guys know. And read in the comments on the Jamaica Observer Instagram page, everybody, I said them smell a setup, and I know it just seems very sketchy and fishy at the same time, people. I don't know, people, just let me know. Now Christmas holiday, New Year's, I don't know, man, something. I know everything don't have to be how it seems, but I know, people, I want to just plain as day. You see me? But once we get more information, I will relate to you guys as usual. Bless up. Much love from YaadAndAbroadTV, people. Bless up in yourself.